Hey, what up, guys? So today is the September 11th. All right, of course, I wanted to just give my condolences to all the families, friends, and loved ones who you might have lost somebody in September 11th. I take my hat off to that. I served 24 years in the military, and I actually served in Iraq, Afghanistan several times. So I know what that feeling can be. Praise God. All praise due to the High Almighty. All right, and let's get into it. All right. So let me make sure I'm recording real quick. Let me make sure. Okay, cool. All right. So I know why you clicked on this channel. You're probably having some issues with mastering your trading psychology or mastering your trading strategy. We're not talking about psychology today. We're going to talk about more of the trading strategy, how to remain disciplined in 2024. Of course, there's no easy feat, but with the right mindset and tools and strategies, it's achievable. And as an aspiring trader, you're probably eager to learn how to navigate the complex world of trading and come out on top. A lot of you guys always hear only the 1%, only the 1%. Stop worrying about what them other people say. Just focus on you. Focus on you. So also trading is a daunting task, especially for beginners. With market volatility at an all-time high, it's easy to get caught up in the chaos and make impulse decisions that can lead to significant losses, not to mention the overwhelming amount of information available, making it difficult to separate signal from noise. All right. This information is overload and can be paralyzing. I already know that if you're just starting out, you see all kind of strategies. You see people making money. You see a lot of people saying this strategy don't work, that strategy doesn't work. Come follow me on my strategy and make so much on day trading. I'm going to just be honest with you. You don't have to listen to a word I say. You know what I'm saying? But I can say if you're a beginner, I would say stick to the daily time frame. Learn support and resistance. Learn, do your top down and not top down analysis. Learn, work on your support and resistance on the daily time frame, and work on price action on the daily time frame before you try to go to any lower time frames. All right, makes sense. Another common challenge traders face is fear of missing out, or have you probably heard already, FOMO, which can lead to reckless decisions and a lack of discipline. Furthermore, the emotional roller coaster of trading can be exhausting, causing traders to make impulse decisions based on emotions rather than logic. All right, trust me. If you see somebody making a lot of money or you see the candles going your way, there will be another trade. I promise you. Unless the market closes down today or tomorrow, there will be another trade tomorrow, or maybe not even tomorrow. It might be the next week. All right. And to add to complexities, the current market conditions and are characterized by rapid changes and high uncertainty. This can lead to a shift the way traders approach the market, with more emphasis on adaptability, flexibility, and staying ahead of the curve, the environment. It's crucial to stay informed, but not overwhelmed, and to focus on developing a solid trading strategy that can withstand the test of time. I can be honest with you, watching the news, you can watch the news, of course, but the only time me personally, I look at the news like, you know, FOMC and CPI numbers come out. Those particularly, it's more or less for the people who day trade. You know, if you trading off the daily time frame, CPI numbers don't even matter to you, really, being honest with you, because of our stop losses are so far out. It gives the trade room to breathe. Get what I'm saying? So let's move over to the chart real quick, and I will beat the dead horse again. All right. If you look right here, I'm going to go step by step one more time. I go step by step every single time. So what you want to do is, all right, go to indicators. All right, we're going to go to, let me move this mic real quick. Type in SMA, right? Go to simple moving average, stocks and box. All right, then you're going to go to here. Just type in ATR, average true range under technicals. All right, and that's going to pop up this little screen at the bottom, this little red line at the bottom. All right, what you want to do is, all right, and input 5 as the length. I have SMA and then time frame to chart, and wait for the chart time frame to close. Or wait for the time frame to close. All right, once you go up here, all right, 20, that's the only thing you need. we only using the 20 SMA. All right. If you don't have an SMA on your platform, then just type the EMA. Just think outside the box. I've gotten questions like, "What if we don't have an SMA?" Well, just use the moving average. Just type in, if you're on a platform where you ain't got no SMA, just type in moving average exponential or the EMA. All right, let's not make it too hard. All right, so what I do is at the beginning of the month, since I trade the daily time frame, I mark off September trading month. I'm gonna be honest with you. If something plays out the month before the end, I don't worry about it unless I'm already in the trade from the previous month. But I only focus on that month. All right. So I'll focus on the pairs. And if you look, let's move this out the way. All these pairs, and that's about 33 pairs. All right. I focus on. If you miss one pair, that's fine. All right. So what we're gonna do is September trading month, right? This is CHFJPY. All right. What I want to do is I want to have my 20 SMA, right? All right. And this is for a sell trade. All right. 20 SMA. Let's just put sell. All right. 1. Look for 2 candle highs to break the SMA. All right. No wick or candle body touches the SMA. Meaning, look for 2 candle highs to break the SMA. Let's put this 2 consecutive. Hold up. Consecutive bearish candles, because I'm gonna get that question too. All right, 2 consecutive bear. No wick or candle body must touch. Should be touching the SMA. No exception. No exception. I'm gonna just put this just in case. Nothing should touch the SMA. Candle body and or wick. Don't hit me up in Telegram saying, well, what if this? No, I backtest what I backtested. All right. Now we go into the September candle, September months. All right. Here we go. And I know somebody's gonna ask me, so I'm gonna show you right here. See these 2 arrows? I mark off the 2 arrows. That's just for me. That's not an indicator. If you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, count down 6. Type it. Go over here. Arrow mark up, arrow mark down. Click down here. I don't need this. Click down here. Don't need that. Don't need that. Yeah. Click down here, and it'll show up here. All right. On this pair. Here we go. All right. Do we click this? No. Why is that? Let's go. Because it is touching the candle body, the SMA. Let's make this red. No, that is not our signal right here. All right, let's go to the next candle. All right. No, this is a bullish candle. Here we go. Here is our first one. All right, so September 2nd, the market opened for the month. All right, and this is the 6th. So you might have to wait a week for this pair, but again, we're looking at 30 plus pairs. All right, here we go. Here's the second signal. All right. All right. Place, trade, or sell. All right. Your SL should be, this just me. All right. B. All right. So watch this. This to give it breathing room. What I do is I put the SMA right here. All right, so about 190. $190. That gives it breathing room in case it wants to pop back up, all right, and go upward. All right. Trust me, it will. All right, we're in this trade. All right. Place the trade. Now all we do is monitor the trade. All right. So basically, we entered the trade on the 9th. We got out in 2 days, and that's 190 pips. You get what I'm saying? All right. Monitor trade every day at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, market close, and new candle forms. All right, I hope that makes sense. All right, but look here. This is why we have the SMA. I mean the ATR. Let's go right here. All right, what you can do, you see how this says 146? That means the average movement of these candles is 146 pips. You want to make sure you're outside of that. All right. But to be on the safe side, what I did was put my SMA, my take profit and my stop loss at the SMA. 190, 190, 1 for 1. Yes. Some people say, man, how are you profitable with one-to-ones? When you trade a lot of pairs on the daily time frame, you might lose one. Like last month, we took 13 trades. We lost 3, we made 10. So even if you have a one-to-one, you're still coming out profitable for the month. All I'm going to tell you is this. Do what you do. Trade with what you trade. You want to go with 1 to 5. If you have the patience to sit down and go 1 to 5, 1 to 2, whatever the case may be, your risk, your reward is on you. This is what I do. 1-to-ones. All right. All right. So let's see if we got everything. Look for 2 candle, and then it's all reverse. All right. So this is what I'm going to tell you. You're going to get confused. These are 2 candle highs. These are the highs of the sell. 2 candle lows, the low of the buy. 2 consecutive candles. All right. I hope this made sense for you. All right. Here we go. Now, here's another trade. All right. And this one is still in play. And if you look at this, here we go. I was showing somebody this the other day, so we're going to get out of this. All right, let's go back to the replay function. All right. Again, look. 1. No. Why? Because it's on the wick. 2. Boom. Here you go. That's my first one. All right. I will place the trade, but I'm going to look. All right. 160. That's the average true range of this candle right here. All right. Like I said, I want to bring it back up here. Now, when you have a 235, 235 pips, it might take a few days. It might take a week. It might take a month. It depends on the pair. All right. But this is giving you breathing room. All right. This is giving you breathing room. All right. Look at that. USDJPY. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you. This is the daily time frame. You get what I'm saying? Daily time frame. And these are the 2 we took this month. All right. 235 pips on that. All right. September 2nd. Look at this. The 3rd, no. The 4th, you got in on the 5th. From the 5th to the 11th. It's called patience, my friends. Patience, my friend. I know you was like, oh, man, look right here. I came all the way down and boom. And you saw it. You saw it again. So every day at 5 o'clock. Every day at 5 p.m. My time, I'm going to just do Central Standard Time. All right, Central Standard Time. That's 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right. Check the charts for potential trades. All right. Also, monitor existing trades. All right. Makes sense. If you have a 9 to 5, you get what I'm saying? If you have a 9 to 5, this typically is a good strategy for you. All right. Let me look at and that's still in this one. All right. All right, this one right here. All right, this is just an example right here. I'm trying to go over this strategy real quick. All right. And yep. So if you look, let me see how to replay this trade. Let me see. All right. Let's get out of this. All right, look. Boom. You have your one candle right here. One. All right. Now, what does this say? Oh, 147, 140 pips. All right. But you want to get in this trade. All right. You want to bring it back to the SMA. So we had 242. This is just to be on the safe side, guys. All right. Boom. So you in this trade right now. You get what I'm saying? 1, 2, and 3. All right. Makes sense, right? And let's see if we have another pair. All right. Nothing for, let me go back to our pairs, all our pairs over here. Our potential pairs. All right. Nothing for this one. Let's look at this one. See? No, this is not what we want. 1. All right, so this is pretty ugly. I don't like this. And if you, this was one right here. I think this was, I think that potentially was a bullish candle. So I don't like this one at all. That's why I didn't enter that one. That one looks sloppy and nasty. All right, so I did miss this trade, but as you can see, 1, 2, boom. Pretty plain and simple. And look, if you're not profitable yet, or if you're not certain of a certain strategy or a certain type of a certain setup or how it looks, just take it on demo trade. Take it on demo trade. I still trade demo just to make sure, okay, boom, I can see this setup. And then what I do is I screenshot it, put it on the PowerPoint. All right, I've seen this setup before. I'm going to keep going from there. All right, so I didn't take this one. I took this on demo, and it actually it played out, but I did miss the trade on live. But I will put this in my toolkit. All right, let's go to the next one. Nothing here for the month. All right, as you can see, one might have been potential. Nope. Sell negate, buy negated. Here's another one. This one touched. Nope. We out of that one. All right. Nothing for this month so far for GU. All right. Nothing right here. So we going through these. See how easy it is to go through these pairs? Nothing so far. All right. This one looks like it's let me see the lowest of the low. Right now, we're not gonna take this one because look what it's doing. If it don't close above or below here, we're not gonna mess with it. These candles right here, honestly, that's why I didn't take the other trade. They're not as, they don't give me enough bias that the momentum is going that way. All right. So this one right here might be another one. We need to wait for it tomorrow. All right, you see how easy it is to go through these pairs? And when we see setup, so if you right here, hey, you know what? We didn't take this one. We didn't take this one. This was our first one, and because of this candle right here. So all together, we missed this whole AUD trade, and sometimes it happens like that. But if this was bearish as well, we would have took it. But now we just want to wait for the retest. But we missed that trade as well. All right, you can see right here. Some of these trades are just straight clear. It's just straight clear. Look at that. 46 pips. Boom. All right. And let's move to the next one. All right. Nothing here. Nothing here. And you can see this one is still playing out. 85 pips. So you can see zero shelf takes a little bit longer to get 85 pips. All right. Continue on. There is some news tonight. Interest rates and press conference and deposit rate. So that should be these two candles. If it don't push it the other way, it should push it right in that direction. That's normally what happen 80% of the time when you trade in the daily time frame. It pushes you in that direction. All right. Hope y'all understand that. And then, also, make sure you join the Telegram group. The link is below. The link is below. Make sure we have a few good traders in there. So come in there and just share your knowledge if you have some knowledge, or share where you at in your journey. It's okay to get with like-minded people or people who are on the same journey as you. As you can see, I'm giving out the free sauce, but I'm gonna just put this out there. If you're looking for one-on-ones, I promise you, I don't have a lot of time to do one-on-ones, but if you would like one-on-ones, I will share this with you. I will share this with you right here. If you want one-on-ones, I do have a 10-minute discovery session that is totally free. Where 10 minutes, you show me where you at. We discuss where you're looking to go towards and how this pressing strategy could work for you. 30-minute dive, that's $40, and so on and so forth. Just screenshot that. I'm not gonna go through the whole thing, but with that being said, I'm gonna tell you this. I give out a lot of free videos and a lot of game. I do free sessions in the Telegram group for everybody. I try to do it once or twice, almost 3 times a week if I can. So if you want a one-on-one, you're paying for my time, because if you can't get it with the free sessions I give you and you feel that you need more, then I will charge you, because time is money. I have a family. I have other things I do outside of trading. So I'm just giving you a fair warning that if you want extra training, it will cost you. Just like if you go to college or you go to some other training. All right. I was a trainer in the military and combatives. I was a trainer for the schoolhouse for driver's training. Somebody had to pay for you to go to that training to come see me, because I was the subject matter expert at that field. You know what I'm saying? So if I have to take my time, all right, I'm not gonna harp on it too long, you will pay. All right. Other than that, continue getting the free sauce that I'm giving you. Other than that, all right. One second. All right, to recap, mastering in 2024 requires a combination of discipline, adaptability, and the right strategies. By focusing on risk management, technical analysis, and leveraging technology, traders can increase their chances of success and staying ahead of the curve. Remember, trading is a journey, not a destination. It is essential to stay informed. I always try to learn. Always try to learn something new. Stop waiting for somebody to give you everything. So it's okay to learn on your own. You know, well, I don't know where to go. Nobody knows where to go when they first start. That's why you start looking at it, journaling, figuring out the route you want to go to. All right, but try not to get overwhelmed. Don't try to do it all in one night, and to focus on developing a solid trading strategy that can withstand the test of time. All right, other than that, all gas, no brakes. Make sure you hit the link below in the description to join our Telegram group. I do have a Discord, but I'm not as active on there. All right, thanks for watching. And if you have any thoughts on the strategy that I'm using, hopefully I broke it down pretty well for you. Please share in the comments below if this works for you. Don't forget to tune into my next video. All right, where we dive deeper into the ATR. Other than that, you guys have a blessed trading week.